Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to create a social smart campaign using Indus.io. This tutorial assumes that you've already added your social network integrations, created your first brand and audience. Okay, let's get started. Click Smart Campaigns in the left sidebar. Now click the Create Advertisement button. Input a name for your campaign or leave the default. And the next drop-down, select your objective. For this example, we'll choose link clicks. Next up, select your brand. Then select your audience, and then choose your target networks. If you are using LinkedIn, make sure to select which LinkedIn-specific conversion you wish to associate with this campaign. Update any budget or bid amounts, and then click the Next button. Now, you will want to input a touchy headline as well as the core message of your ad. The link is populated from your selected brand, but you may change that as needed. Now, choose your media. We currently support both image and video type media, and click Next. You could preview network-specific campaign settings one last time before publishing across networks with a single click. Initially, the ad availability will show as pending. You may refresh by clicking the Refresh button and seeing network-specific previews once the ad has been accepted by the networks. That's it. You've created a social smart campaign using Edis.io. Yes, it's that easy.